Hey now, gang. Gang. So, this is another video that I have been dying to do. I have been waiting for my package. I don't know how long. It got sent out, then it got sent back, and then it got delayed, and it's finally here. And I'm so happy. So, this is from my girl, my nails and stuff, my friend, Booboo. It's Glitter Glory. Y'all see a sticker? I'm hovering her address and my address. That's why I got the paper here. But we just gonna dive right into this. And let me tell y'all, this is a blind unboxing, I'm gonna say. Cause I don't even know what's in here. I feel like the box is full and I'm like super freaking excited. Okay, so bear with me, y'all. All right, we gonna get right on into it. Okay. So right up at the top, you got a thank you card with a sticker. You see it? Let's see what's in here. Thank you very much. Ooh, pretty unicorn. Y'all see it? Uh-oh, what's this? I start opening stuff and didn't even read the card. What's in here? What's she hiding in here? Ooh, I got some jewels, y'all. I got some blizzing, period. Okay. Ooh. So the card says, Shantae, thank you, love, for once again showing some love. Hope you enjoy your playtime, period. Okay. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. Child, when I tell y'all, it took us forever to get this, well, it took me forever to get this stuff because the post office acting crazy. Child, okay? But thank you, baby. You're welcome. You know I love your glitters, girl. Don't you act like you don't know. So, we already getting into it. So, you know I'm going to pull this out first because that's what's talking to me, okay? Oh, and it's a mixture. It got, oh, y'all, this, So I got butterflies, I got hearts, I got stars, and I got leaves. Oh my god. Oh, these are pretty. Love it. Oh, I don't even know what to do. Okay. So I got some pigments. And girl, forgive me. I know you said some stuff glow in the dark, but I don't remember what does and what doesn't. I think this is pigment. So yellow. And then I got a pink. Pretty. Oh, y'all. I don't even know what. I'm like nervous and excited at the same time. Like, just rip it. Look. Oh man. Ooh. I got some flakes, y'all. Oh, I love flakes. Oh my god. And they wrap individually. I got green. Ooh, look, y'all. I need to focus. Can y'all see? Let me take it out the bag. I'm not gonna open each thing because I don't want the video to be too long. So, but I'm gonna show y'all some stuff. I'm gonna tease y'all a little bit because I'm the one that get to play with it. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I got green. I got blue. Oh man. Yep, this yellow is pretty. I'm not even a yellow girl, but this yellow is pretty. And then I got purple. My best friend likes purple. And my daughter. Ugh. Pretty. I'm excited. I'm too excited right now. Alright, what's see what I got there. Oh. What's these? Oh, was more? Ooh. More, y'all. And I got pink, blue, orange, and silver. It's more flakes. Let's see what this is. More. Can never have enough. Oh, I got gold. Oh, an iridescent. Oh, this iridescent one. I gotta show y'all this one. I'll show y'all the gold one too. Look at the gold flakes. Ooh. And look at the iridescent one. This is my fave. Right here, I might take this out the bag. Hold on. This is my favorite one right here. My big hands. I was trying to open it. Don't look at my nails, y'all. Please don't judge my nails. Because, okay, I need to do them. Sometimes I don't be feeling like it. Like, I really don't. It's so sad, but I don't sometimes, so. But I need to. Ooh, can y'all see that? Ooh. Ugh. Let's see what's next. Let's see what's next. I'm like a big kid popping this stuff open. Ooh. Oh, thank you. She sent me some, what's it called? The gym glue? Oh, it's looking out. I got a thing in. It's nicely sealed. Some of my gems. Period. Thank you. Oh, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Glow in the dark. Y'all see these? Y'all see these? This is what I was waiting for. This is what I was waiting for. Oh, I'm hyped now, bro. And I think I'm going to show y'all on camera. They glizzo. And they like glow, okay? Let me. I'm going to do both of them. Because I need y'all to see this. I'm going to put these back in the wrapper, though, so I know what's what. So I don't get them confused. But I want to show y'all. Y'all want to see? Because I want to show you anyway. These are moons and stars, little glitters. But they glow. Let me show you. I don't even think they take that much juice. Bro. Look, don't even take that much juice, already glowing. Oh my goodness. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Because I don't think y'all ready. Y'all ready? Okay. Look at the magic that's about to happen. Look at it, look. Oh, I got the flash on. Look at them glowing. I got the light on, the ceiling light, but y'all can see it. You see it? Yo, I was so hyped to use these. I don't know who I'm gonna use them on. Y'all see this glow though? Y'all see it? Y'all see that glow? And all I did was turn my lamp on. I didn't even turn it on in 10 seconds yet. And that little bit made them shine like that. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm too freaking excited. Oh man. I'd be too hyped. And girl, I gotta order some more I gotta order some more glitter because I'm running out of April and stuff. If you watching, just to let you know, girl. Okay. Ooh, okay, so this is one of her lines, newer lines that came out. Her Beyond the Stars Galaxy Dust. And all her glitters and things that she makes revolves around zodiac signs, okay? Look at these, y'all. Come. Y'all know this Leo, right? You know Leo on top. You see that? Y'all know I'm a Leo. Leo right here on top. The sun. Do y'all see this glitter? Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. Let me see that back there. Look at this. Ugh. This is Gemini, Mercury. I got a lot of light on, so I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, there you go. There's a lot of glare going on. Alright. You'll see the Mercury. And you got Taurus. This is my mommy sign. This is cute. Taurus and Libra. Venus. Ooh. Sounds powerful. And y'all know blue is my favorite color. And this is Earth. Oh. I know I'm going to use this one. You might as well just send me another one now, girl. Oh. Child. What's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Excuse my noises, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay, so here we have, this is some more of the Galaxy Dust Beyond the Stars collection. You have Cancer, Moon. You have Aries and Scorpio, Mars. I hope y'all can see these. The camera ain't doing it no justice, though, I tell you that. Oh. Oh no. Okay. So, my battery dying, y'all. I'm sorry. This is Ceres. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm not. Then it says dwarf. And then this is Jupiter, Pisces, and Sagittarius. It's called Jupiter, I'm sorry, for Pisces and Sagittarius. I'm sorry. And then you have Saturn for Aquarius and Capricorn. It's green with a mix in it. So pretty. So y'all know I'm going to have to do some nails with these in them. I might do a demo set, and then I actually might do some on somebody. You know, a freestyle set. Oh, this is the rest of it. Okay. So, this is pretty. So, you have, and like I said, it's dealing with zodiac signs and planets. So, you have Uranus for Aquarius. You have, oh, this is a nice light blue. Neptune for Pisces. And then this is Chiron Dwarf. This is pretty too. It's like a pink and black iridescent. Ugh. And then this one is Pluto dwarf for Scorpio. This like a gold hollow. Ugh. I just can't. This is what I was waiting for. Now, don't get me wrong. I like chunky glitters, but I love me some fine glitters. I feel like you can do more with fine glitter. And then this says, I know this ain't the right way. It say make, but I feel like it's something else. And then this is one says dwarf too. This is like a dark red and gold black. It's pretty. Oh, girl. You just made my heart so freaking happy. This has put me in a good space, especially with everything I have been going through. And I cannot wait to play, okay? Okay? Because you already know. You already know. That's why you sent me all this beautiful stuff that I cannot wait to play with. This stuff is beautiful, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching me unbox this for the first time. So my first time was your first time. We unboxed together. Okay? I enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it? Because I enjoyed it. So, again, Booboo's Good of Glory, thank you so much for all this wonderful stuff. I'm so excited. I can't wait. That's going to be another video because y'all know I'm going to have to play with this. Y'all know I'm going to have to play with this stuff. Thank you again. Mwah. Again, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the Nail Gang. Gang. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you feel as though somebody else needs to see this video, please don't hesitate to share. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.